Now we are going to start ASP.NET controls. Almost all programming is started yesterday. So let's see. So ASP.NET will support various types of controls. So various types of controls. Already we have discussed about this. What is a control? Control is a predefined functionality. Every control will provide some special functionality. For example, you take text box control. Text box control functionality is what? What is the functionality of the text box? Uma, what is the functionality of the text box? Text box. The control is a predefined functionality. Every control will have its own functionality. What is the functionality of the text box?
Whenever we have to accept an input from the user, as well as we want to display the output.
Control. The text box will accept input from the user as well as display output to the user. So similarly, every control will have its own functionality. According to the requirements, we'll use these controls. These are all the controls are provided by the Microsoft. So that's why I said predefined functionality. And ASP.NET will support various types of controls. I said what are the various types, we'll see. Now I'll show you the ASP.NET application. You people also, whenever, I'm just creating something in Visual Studio. You also try for that. I'm creating a new application to show you the available types of ASP.NET controls. Open Visual Studio.NET, file, new website. Right. Now here always try to go with the empty website, better for entry level. And here you select file system. And here example name is anything is okay. Okay, Bata. Anything is okay. That depends upon your interest. So suppose you are working with text box control, then you can write text box example, radio button example, label example. Depends upon your example, you can give the name for your application. Now you have created your ASP.NET application, empty application. Now you can see, now add one web page. Right click, add new item, and you are adding a web page called web form 1, web form. For this web page you can give the name. Mute yourself, somewhere I'm getting noise. Right. Right. Somewhere we are getting noise, guys. Yeah. Now I'm adding a web page. You can observe add new item. Yeah, let's take web form. And here you can give the name for your web page. Let us assume I am giving the web page name as web form 1.aspx. Click which button add. With this process for your application, one new web page is added. That web page name is web form 1.aspx. You can observe. Okay, now you are going to the design mode of your web page. And now you are going to see the list of the available controls in ASP.NET. Now you can observe toolbox, view, toolbox, right? View toolbox. Now you can observe uh, available controls in your ASP.NET. Number one, you can observe all the tabs are there here. One model is here. Yeah, come on. What is this? Standard controls. First one. Second one, data controls. Third one, validation controls. And the fourth one, navigation controls, login controls, web parts, So forget about this for some time. Forget about this for some time. And it's also reporting controls and HTML controls and so on. There is various types of controls you can observe here. Various types of controls. So first category is what? First category is right. Now come on, tell me somebody like yeah, yeah. Madhuri, tell me first category is what? First category, Madhuri, standard controls. Number two, guys like Nivedita. Now you give answer for remaining all the types of controls available in ASP.NET. Nivedita,
Data, data control,
data controls, data controls,
validation controls,
validation controls, validation.
navigation,
Right. First one is standard controls. Okay. Second one is data controls. Simultaneously, whatever I am writing here in Notepad, you people also don't write in Notepad. Use pen and paper and just you write. That is different interaction. And for my questions, you have to respond through chart. One person is responding through voice. Because of that, what will happen? It's a conversation between one to one, which can listen by the people and which is very clear, will give more clarity. Second thing is your pen interaction, like you have to write on paper what I am writing, whatever you understood. Running notes, like when we are attending a live class also will have running notes like that. Are you writing that? How many are following that running notes?
yes, sir.
So we write every day, sir.
Yeah, that is very important. No, I have a doubt about that, whether you are writing or not. Second is, for every question, uh, for every technical question, you people have to respond through chart. That is also one type of interaction. Okay. So right, validation controls. Next category is what, guys?
Navigation control,
Navigation controls. Navigation controls now. Navigation controls. Next, fifth category,
login controls,
login controls. Login controls. Sixth category.
dynamic data,
Yeah, that we don't require to worry. Now that's why I said login. Okay, web parts, Ajax extensions, dynamic data. Among these three, you just take one controls as Ajax controls. Ajax controls. Next, 7, reporting controls. Reporting controls. Next, 8, I think HTML controls. HTML controls and so on. And